Yay! We are live.
Hello,
Yes,
hello.
I am back again with another Q&A session. It's about the digital business, and I've got different business partners from different parts of the world, moms, ex-professionals who are doing this business. So before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Sheetal Lobo, and I'm a child of God. I'm a mother of three boys living in Abu Dhabi, UAE with my family. I am from Mumbai, India, and I've got today three more exciting moms, homemakers who were professionals, and now they are fully doing this business full time. So let's hear it from Padma. Can you introduce yourself, Padmaji?
Yes. Hi, everyone. Thank you, Sheetal, for inviting me here today. Namaste. My name is Padma. I am originally from India, currently living in North Carolina, US, with my family. Formerly, I was working in insurance industry, and I was struggling to have work-life balance. So I started my online business 3.5 years ago, and I'm really grateful for all the blessings that I am receiving through this business, and I'm enjoying my thoroughly enjoying my journey as an online entrepreneur. Yeah. Thank you, Shita.
Thank
Back
you.
to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Padmaji. And let's hear it from Madhura. Can you
Hello.
introduce yourself? Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhura Chitre. I am from Atlanta, USA. I'm originally from Mumbai, India. I am a homemaker, proud mom of a son, and now a digital business owner. With over 10 years of experience living in US, I transitioned into online business world after my son started college. I always wanted to achieve financial independence while maintaining balanced family life, and one day I got this digital business model that allows me to work from home or anywhere. And now I am helping others to explore similar opportunities. Thank you, Shital.
Yeah. Thank you.
Over to you.
Thank you so much, Madhura, for that lovely introduction. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Next, we have our own Samsha here. She's going to share a brief introduction, give out a brief introduction about herself. Yes, Samsha.
Hi, this is Shamsa. Thank you, Sheetal, for being here and take me in for your live streaming. And then I'm a little bit confused, but I'm really happy. So I know I'm the mom of two toddlers. I have one little girl and one little boy. I live in Dallas, Texas for almost 11 years. I did the nursing in my past, but during the COVID hit, I did not get back to my job because of the kids and then household work and so many stuff. So I'm looking for online business and I joined this business just a 2 month earlier. So what I really like in this one is about simplicity. Like they are give you the video based training so you can do your in your own piecework, like at night or anytime your time available. Like me, I have a toddler. My little girl is always with me, like mama, mama, all the time. So I can
Yeah.
do like the training in the daytime, and I can go with 9 to 5 work. So that's really helped me to work. And then the mentors and coaches are available all the time, so they guide you in every step. Like if you want to take a baby step, they will allow you to do it, and that make me really confident, and then I really enjoy this work. Thank you, Sheetal.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. And so here are all moms wonderfully successfully running this business. Some of us are newcomers in the business that they will share later. So I am a busy mother, also working as a teacher full time, and I'm doing this business as my side hustle. And I proudly call myself, as you can see on my screen, that I call myself as a teacherpreneur. And I love every day in this business what I have achieved and what I've learned from this business. It's a true blessing to me and my family too. And we have someone special over here joined us, and we have none other than our coach, Shruti here. She says, "Hi, lovely ladies. So nice to see you all in one frame. Thank you so much, Shruti, for joining in and supporting us. Thank you so much." So let's not waste any more time and let's jump on to our question. So, Padmaji, your question, first one. It says, "Do I need to be super active or good at social media to succeed in this business?"
Okay, yeah. So the answer is no. We don't have to be super active or good at social media to succeed in this business. So actually, I am a very social media shy person. So I just have my Facebook account to see what others, my relatives and friends are sharing. So after starting this business, I just followed our training site. So our training site is very, very user friendly and very comprehensive that anybody can follow. That's what I'm doing. I followed that and I'm running my business successfully. And I think everybody can do this once they follow our training site. Anybody can successfully run their business. Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for that lovely answer. Very sweet, short. Yes, none of us were tech savvy people. We have all learned after joining in with the training and with the mentorship, mentors and the coaches and the community. We have learned all of these things from the community. So thank you, Padmaji, for that lovely, lovely answer. And the second question goes on. It says, "How do I pick up the skills I need to run this business?" So I'm going to answer this question. I want to tell people that before joining this business, I did not have any business skills or business knowledge or business experience. I have been an educator all my life and I don't know anything about business. Yes, I did have a Facebook account. I had a Facebook page, but it was only occasionally I was posting like birthdays and anniversary and some celebrations or festival pictures. But people say that do you need any skill? Everybody thinks that we are all experts. No, we were not experts. After joining this business, we had access to our training, as Padmaji said, that the training is simple and step by step, video based, easy to understand, and you have got access to it, as I said, 24/7. And you can log on to it and learn from it, pause the video, do the steps that you want to do, then get back to the steps. And also, we have our amazing masterminds which gives us updated information or training about the online digital business world, because as we know that the digital business or the online space is revolving or evolving every time and new things are coming up, and our masterminds which happens every Wednesdays for the business owners, and we also have another Tuesday masterminds for new business owners. So it is so amazing that we getting training without having to pay anything extra. So this is the beauty of this amazing business community, and also the leaders in the community are so open that they come in on these masterminds to train us, to tell us their journey, tell us how they have achieved success and what are the footsteps. It's like they have already paved the way for us, and just we need to walk on their footsteps and follow what they have done, and we are good to go. And another thing also I want to say is that this you don't need to be any special person. You don't need any special qualification. You just come here with that mindset that you want to learn, you want to do something for yourself, you want to do something for your children, for your family. We as moms, we always want to see and give the best for our children. Yes. So I hope all these moms on the screens will agree to what I say. We want to give our children the best.
Yes.
Even the best part is that we can leave this business for our children. Even when we are no more, this business can like we can leave it as a legacy to our children. So this is the amazing part of this digital business. So I think I have spoken more than enough. Let's go on to our next question here. And we have Samsha who will answer this question. What inspired you to start this business in the first place?
Okay, as I mentioned, like after pandemic hit, I can return to the work, right? Because of the
Yes.
baby, because of the household stuff, and so many things. So that's was the turning point to me. So I started researching online, like what can I do? What can I do to contribute financially to my baby being staying at home? And what can I do that? So that is like that's business gave me the flexibility that I needed. Besides make them financially independent, they also allow me to go with a skill development, growing the
Yes.
confidence, and then it's a low cost startup. So that's if you are a stay at home mom, so looking for a way to contribute financially, or even like you just want to be gain the flexibility in your life, and this business is perfect for you. Like if you want to be started, that's that I started, and I feel really confident with just within a 2 months. So like you guys can do it too. So
Yes.
that is really good for.
Yes. So you just heard from Shamsa that she's just recently joined the business and she's really excited about it, and what she's learning and the journey that she started. It's going to be really awesome and amazing. Thank you, Shamsa, for that beautiful answer. And before we move ahead, we've got some more comments that I can see over here. So let me just share. Here we have our Coach Shruti again. She says, Padma is herself super shy but very successful in the business. Yes, very, very true. Uh, we hardly see Padma ji live or videos of her. We mostly see her pictures and posts. And very true, Shruti. Yes. And she also says that the only skill needed is the right mindset, very true, and good attitude. Everything else is taught through the training. Very, very true, very true. And another comment by Shruti, as a newbie, you are rolling very well in the flow, Samsha. Wow, that is coming from a coach. So that it is a lot for you. It's a lot of encouragement to you.
It's like
So
thank you,
before
coach.
we move
Yeah.
on, yeah. So before we move on to the next question, I want to remind the people who are watching this live or the replay that today is a special day. We have a live webinar happening at 5 p.m. PST and 8 p.m. EST. And how do you get to watch the webinar? Register on any of our websites, and with your name and email address. The registration is free. You get to watch a 90 minutes complimentary webinar or a workshop, which will give you all the basic information about this business. And if you want to know more about the business, you can always message us and we'll be glad to answer your queries. So let's move on to our last but not the least question. Yes. The question says, what positive changes have you noticed since starting this business? And our dear Madhura is going to answer this question for us. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Uh, so this digital business has a very positive impact on my life. It has provided me with financial independence that I have always desired without sacrificing my family time. Unlike traditional businesses, I did not have to invest large amount of money or did not require prior experience, which made it accessible and stress free. The flexibility of the working from home has allowed me to be more present for my family while building a successful career. Most importantly, I have gained confidence, learned new skills, and connected with a supportive community of like minded individuals. So, overall, I will say this business has transformed my lifestyle, allowing me to achieve my personal as well as professional fulfillment. That's it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for that sweet little answer of yours.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much. And anybody would like to share something? Padmaji, you would like to say something?
Yeah.
Something about how this business has actually helped you. You are really successful in the business.
Yes. So we just have to be, see, we don't have, as you said earlier, we don't need any extra skills. We just have
Yes.
that passion that I want to learn. then you are good to go. You can be very successful. So you just learn step. Our training is awesome. It's for any layman. They have laid out in such a detailed way, step by step. Anybody can learn from it, and we have huge community and our
Yes.
dear coaches and mentor support. This is
Yes.
a huge. This is an awesome business where you are always supported and guided. So when you day in day out you are provided with all these resources, and you can progress in a very accelerated pace and do very well. So I would say for anyone who has that passion to do something for themselves and ready to learn, so this business is awesome. This is a life changing, truly a life changing business. They can come and check it out, learn everything, ask all questions. First register on our websites, then watch the webinar, then go from there asking questions and checking out other things, taking inspired action. Then they can take informed decision. I know for sure they will be. It's worth checking out, and they won't regret it. So yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much for that answer. So we have got quite a number of people joined us, and we've got few comments before we end this. And let's see what we have here. Coach Shruti says again, very well said, Madhura. This business is very flexible and best way to achieve financial and time freedom. Yes, very true. And one more comment over here. We just need to be natural and ourselves. That's the success mantra. Very true. Yes, we are not like imposters. You say we are not here to scam people. We are all real people. We are all successfully running this business, and we are here to help like-minded people who are looking out for that time freedom and financial freedom. Please do come out and ask us. I know that many of us, even we were skeptical before coming into the business, but we took action. We watched the webinar, and we are now proud digital business owners. I can say for myself that I am really proud, and every day I get up with excitement to see what's happening in my business. I hope that everybody else on the screen feels the same, that they want to see what is happening on. So it is very exciting, and there is lot of potential in the business, and we are having a proven system where not only young people are joining in, there are people, pretty old people, grandmoms who have joined this business and successfully running it. There are moms who just given birth to young babies, and they are still rocking this business so wonderfully. So if you are looking for a change, I said, you need to take that chance and come and check what this digital business is all about. So I want to thank anybody else would like to add on something. Anyone else? No. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. Just as you said, today is just a reminder, another reminder that there is a live webinar today, every
yes.
Tuesday and Thursday, 8 p.m. EST, 5 p.m. PST. We go live. So
Yes.
anybody is interested, they can just register on website and get that link to watch our live stream. And then after that, they can reach out to us if they have any questions or anything, or they can take inspired actions as well, and then go forward from then on. Okay, looking forward to seeing you all amazing ladies inside.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for the lovely support. Thank you, everyone, for watching us and who will be watching the replay. We really want to appreciate each one of you. Especially, I want to say thanks, a big, huge thanks to Padmaji, Madhura, and Samsha for taking out this time. I know Samsha is a little nervous. She is a new business owner, but it's amazing to see you here, and that you want to come out of that comfort zone and do something for your business, and it is really going to help you in your future journey in this business. So thank you, everyone, and hope to see you all next week with someone new, people from the digital business community, answering some frequently asked questions from the digital business. So thank you everyone. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. And tomorrow, the weekend, almost the Friday is like finishing, and it will then we have a weekend. So enjoy and have a great weekend and a great day tomorrow too. And take care and God bless you all. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sheetal.
Sheetal. Bye
Thank
bye,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.